It's February 15th at 2:50 in the morning. We just spent all day between Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, and then the Villains After Hours on February 14th until 1 a.m. We're gonna unload this puppy right here. First, we got 2 bottles of water. Now remember, we were at the Villains After Hours, and you get free drinks, ice cream, popcorn. Well, I didn't bring any of the popcorn home. We got Coca-Cola, Diet Coca-Cola, Diet, bottle of water, Diet, regular. So we got 3 regular Cokes, 4 Diet Cokes, and 3 bottles of water. I got my jumbo-sized Ziploc bags. Always come in handy, especially on days that you might think it's going to rain. Also, you can put your jackets in these and squeeze out all the air. It's like vacuum sealing them. So it doesn't take up as much room. Souvenirs. Another jumbo-sized bag. Alright, I think that's all for the big pocket. Let's go to the next pocket. And this one, this is my thing for my sunglasses. We have our pin pouch. This is where we keep all the pins we're going to trade, and our pin lanyard. Now, we also have a Ziploc bag full of Ziploc bags and straws, plastic straws. Yes, I need plastic straws. I hate those little paper straws that disintegrate in your mouth and you got little chunks of paper that you're just getting out of your mouth all the time. But I also put an extra pair of socks for me and an extra pair of socks for Teia in here because this morning it rained and we didn't want to deal with wet socks again, so we made sure to bring an extra dry pair just in case. And then I have another jumbo Ziploc bag which actually has a wet umbrella in it because I didn't want everything else in the bag to get wet. Another jumbo bag just in case. Never have too many. Brought a couple of washcloths to dry ourselves off if it either got too hot or we got a little damp. Always nice to have, and the room provides those for free. Now on to the next pocket. So we have our Villains After Hour map. I tried to keep it as nice as possible because these are actually very nice. And we didn't use this one. This is the souvenir one that we're taking home. This, on the other hand, was the one that we were writing in and crumpled up and threw in the pocket and didn't worry about. Then we have our clear bag, which has got like mouthwash, a toothpicky hickey, some gum, chapstick, and other things like that, some hand sanitizer. But this way you can take it out, throw it on the counter. They don't have to open it and look in it because you can see everything. It's only this thick. And I've gotten a lot of compliments from the security guards going, I really appreciate that. That makes that so much easier. And then typically this is a big old block battery charger. This is an 8,000 milliamp battery. Typically I can recharge my phone, my wife's phone, and we could probably do both of our phones 2 times each before this thing dies. Typically it's in here, which has all of my extra lights, memory cards, headphones, batteries for my camera. This holds all that stuff and it's very helpful. And I have my cell phone tripod mount just in case I decide to use this for any reason. And then I have one more pocket, pens, magic marker, pencil, just in case I need it, a toothbrush. I believe that is it. This backpack went from about 45 pounds to nothing. What does your backpack look like? Especially at the end of the day, what do you put in your backpack? Is your backpack just the catch-all for everything that happens in the park? Or do you save it for the necessities? This is not normal. We literally took this to the park tonight because I was getting my money's worth. And we really hate carrying bags. So put it in the comments below. How do you use your backpack? And does yours look anything like mine at the end of the day? I'd really like to know that I'm not the only one. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope this was informative and if nothing else, amusing for you to go, oh my God, that is what my backpack looks like too. I'm not the only one. Please like this video, share it if you want to give somebody a laugh, and remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell icon so that you can get updates anytime we upload new content. I think tomorrow morning we're going to be sleeping in because it's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. So with that said, remember guys,
No kicks!